one more quick PUBG story.
Okay.
All right. And then Ian has his thing.
It was actually Cameron and I were playing once, and we land and we get into a Dacia, and 2 other guys get into our Dacia.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Yes, I remember this.
The Uber story, yeah.
Yeah, and I'm like, well,
Good news, everyone.
This is not great. So I get into all chat, and I talk to the boys, and I say, hello, like, how you doing? They're like, oh yeah, we're good. And it's like, cool. Can we,
That's good.
could we drop you somewhere?
You just break, right?
And then,
Yes.
you know, you don't kill us, and we don't kill you.
And then you have to press C. Once it's totally stopped, press C, and then C again, and then accelerate away from there.
Oh,
Good job,
nicely done.
Not my first bus stop.
Well navigated.
Basically, I just said, like, we drop you off somewhere, and don't kill us. And then they were like, yeah, okay. And I was like, are these houses up ahead cool? And they're like, yeah, this looks great. Okay, thanks. And we like pull over, and they get out, and I'm like, have a great day. And as they're running into the house to loot, they both turn around and say, thank you. And then we just pull away. And we're like, what nice boys.
Let's go bus stop.
Oh, they probably got fried.
There's the other one.
Dropping the kids off the pool.
Yeah, dropping the kids off at the pool.
Oh boy, that's